Hey gardener, it's winter. It's cold, it's snowy, it's icy. I'm hiding in the basement where it's warm. Everything's dead. I miss the color green. If you're anything like me and bummed, I wanted to share my 9 ways to beat the winter blues and survive winter. So let's grow. Number 1, reflect on your previous season. This could be done in writing, a spreadsheet. They make really cool garden planners. You can jot down all your notes, but you need to brain dump everything once the season is over into some form of permanent record. If you're like me, you think you'll remember and you don't. So write it down. Think about things like what experiments did you do that went well or didn't go well? What things would you like to repeat? What things would you not like to repeat? Did you have the tools that you need? Do you need to purchase new tools? Do you need to move your garden? Was there an area that was too sunny or not sunny enough? Do you need to expand your garden? Do you need to shrink your garden? Biggest thing probably to assess is, were you overwhelmed to the point of not enjoying it? Or maybe were you under challenged and are ready to take on more next season? Now would be a good time to think about a budget. Did you blow your budget from last year, or did you not have one? Mainly just take this time after your season is over to see how things went that season, and it'll help you plan for next season. Number 2, maybe not the funnest one, but I call it doing a little housekeeping. You need to clean your supplies, your seed trays, your tools, anything you use during the season. Take this time to clean it so that it's ready to use, ready to go in spring of next season. I still have some work to do cleaning. Just ignore that. This is also a good time to take inventory. Did you run out of seeds? Do you need more seeds? Are there different seeds you want to try? Do you need soil, fertilizer? Now's the time to assess your inventory needs. Number 3, this one's my favorite. Plan and dream. Now that you have reflected on your season and you know what inventory you have, what you need, everything's clean and put away. I like this part because whatever you can think of in your head is going to happen. Everything's going to be planted and grow perfectly. The weather's going to cooperate. You haven't got to the point in the season where it's hot and it's dry and there's bugs and you're sweaty. Take the time now to dream. Number 4, plant some seeds. If you're like me and you can't wait, start some seeds. Start some indoors if you have a setup. If you don't quite have the setup you want, back up to the plan and dream stage and plan and dream your indoor space. You can also winter sow seeds. You can directly sprinkle seeds outside, or you can use the milk jug technique where you basically cut open a milk jug, put some soil in, put some seeds in, tape it back up, set it outside in the snow. Literally let it sit out there. They'll grow when they're ready. If you're winter sowing, you want to look for seeds that say on the seed packet, cold stratification required, sow when cold, pre-chill, cold hardy, things like that. So get your hands dirty, get some dirt under your nails in the winter. Trust me, it helps tide you over. Number 5, purchase seeds and supplies. So you've inventoried what you have, you know what you need. Now is the time. Usually in winter, garden companies have sales. You'll notice in your mailbox all the catalogs are showing up with the beautiful pictures that help you plan and dream your garden. Take advantage of some of those sales, and also consider purchasing new gloves. I don't know about you, but mine usually get gross after each year, and I always like to buy new ones. If part of your dreaming and planning was to grow your indoor grow space, now would be the time to check into purchasing grow lights. I just have shop lights. They're not special. They're not expensive. You can find them on Amazon. Just look for the LED shop lights. But just keep in mind that budget that you made in your planning and dreaming stage and don't blow it. Number 6, This one's kind of serious, but I want you to recognize that seasonal affective disorder is actually a real thing. You know, I'm joking and other people joke about the winter blues, but it actually is a real clinically proven thing that people get sad and depressed during the winter season. Think about, it's dark outside, it's cold, you're stuck inside, you can't go out and get in the sun and look at pretty flowers and get your hands in the dirt. I mean, it can really affect you. So I did a little bit of quick research, and I just have a few notes here that when it gets dark earlier, it can disrupt the body's level of melatonin, which can affect your sleep patterns. It can also lead to a drop in serotonin, which can lead to a lack of energy, tiredness, oversleeping, overeating, which leads to weight gain, hopelessness, and social withdrawal. Some treatments include light therapy, vitamin D supplements, antidepressant medication, and if it's affecting you bad enough, counseling. So all this to say, all jokes aside, seasonal affective disorder is actually a real thing affecting plenty of people, and just want to take a minute to acknowledge that. And if you are one of them and it's really affecting you bad, please don't make me worry about you and seek help. Number 7, rest and recharge. Mother Nature purposefully gives you winter to force you to rest and recharge. And I want you to take it as a gift and listen to her. She's the mother. Enjoy the downtime. You won't have sunburns or bug bites or sweaty armpits. Take this time to be with your friends and family and maybe pick up a hobby, crochet, read books, do puzzles, play video games, watch movies with family. You can't go hard 365 days a year, even if you want to. So please take some time to just rest and relax. Number 8, research and grow. While you are enjoying your rest and recharge stage, take some time to research. Hone your skills, learn some new ones. If you are interested in something new like canning or a new growing technique or learning how to grow seeds indoors, just level up your gardening game during the winter. You've got plenty of time to read. You can go to YouTube. You can read articles online. Maybe you have a gardener friend. It'd be a great time to connect with them. A couple things that I'm focused on this winter researching are ways to preserve food that we grow in our garden and how to improve our soil. So just take some time this winter to level up your gardening game. Number 9, take care of yourself, exercise, eat well, drink water. I'm really bad at the water thing, so I'm working on it. And I don't mean go to the gym and learn how to lift 300 pounds. Just mean take care of yourself. Maybe do some yoga, some stretching. I don't mean pretzel yoga. I don't mean sweat hot yoga. Just every day, do some stretches, limber up. I don't know about you, but I'm getting older and I feel it in my body during the garden season. My back hurts, my legs hurt, everything hurts. So I'm committing this winter to spend more time doing yoga, easy yoga, so that I don't hurt myself. So please take this time to do a little bit of exercise, eat well, and drink that water. To quickly summarize the 9 things that you can do to beat the winter blues. 1, reflect on your previous season. Take notes. 2, housekeeping. Clean your tools, your supplies, and inventory what you have on hand. 3, my favorite, plan and dream. The sky's the limit in the winter when you're thinking about your future garden season. Number 4, plant some seeds, get your nails dirty. Number 5, purchase seeds and supplies. Number 6, recognize that seasonal affective disorder is real. Get some help if you need it. Number 7, rest and recharge. Please take some time to rest. Number 8, research and grow. learn some new skills, or hone your current ones. Number 9, take care of yourself, exercise, eat well, and drink that water. I hope these 9 things help you survive winter and beat the winter blues. If there are any more that you can think of, leave them in the comments below. Let me know. I want to learn and grow with you. And until next time, I'll see you later, dude. Hey dudes, I'm Katie. Oh dear God, I can't do this. I just mean, you don't know what I mean. Can you hear that? There's a truck driving by. Shh. Quiet. It's probably FedEx. Okay, to summarize, 9 things to do to be that. What else do I need to say?